Dear learners, today we will see Senna drug from laxative class. The objectives behind this lesson is students should be able to know the monograph of Senna. The Senna drug belongs to synonym Tenivali Sena and Indian Sena. In Marathi it is known as Sonamukhi. In biological source, senna is a dried leaflets used as a drug obtained from Cassia angustifolia, which belongs to family Leguminosae. Geologically, it is obtained in India from Tinivali, Madurai and Ramanathapuram district of Tamil Nadu, Kadapa district from Andhra Pradesh, in Gujarat as well as in Maharashtra. Its cultivation and collection of drug is done as follows. Cultivation of senna is done by sowing the seeds by broadcasting or by dibbling method. It requires 18 kg of seeds per hectare. The cultivation is done twice in a year, in March or April and in November or December. For cultivation for senna, a well-drained irrigated land is preferred. Red or black soil is very good. In March and April, sowing is done as a main crop, while in November and December, the crop is also called as a side crop where the chilies, paddies and corianders are also grown. The crop is allowed to grow for 3 to 5 months and flowering tops are cut off for development of the lateral branching and proper thickness of the leaves. It is harvested by cutting just above the ground and dried. Drying of drug needs about 7 to 8 days. About 10% of the crop is retained for the production of seeds. Average yield per hectare is about 750 kg of dry leaves and 50 kg of pods. For the preparation of this senna for market is done by harvested leaves are spread on the floor in a shade without covering. The leaves are shuffled time to time for proper drying. The yellow-green leaves thus produced possess a face value in the market. The leaves are then packed in bales and sent to the market. Pods are also similarly dried and packed and sent to the market. Senna possesses following organoleptic characters. Color is yellowish green, odor is light, taste is mucilaginous, bitter and characteristic. Size is about 7 to 8 mm in width and 25 to 60 mm in length. Shape of senna leaves are lanceolate. Entire apex is acute with spine at the top. In its histological structure, in the transverse section, senna shows the following parts: upper epidermis, lower epidermis, spongy parenchyma, lower palisade, lower epidermis, trichome, palisade parenchyma, crystal sheath, sclerenchymatous sheath, vascular bundle, xylem, phloem, collenchyma. TS of senna from lamina region, which include 1 to 6 parts, and midrib region includes 7 to 13 parts as shown in the diagram. Lamina isobilateral, It is shown in the picture. Upper epidermis, mesophyll, upper palisade, spongy parenchyma, lower palisade, lower epidermis, upper epidermis, single layered is there, polygonal, straight, anticlinical wall, few cell contains mucilage, covered with a cuticle layer. In lamina region, the mesophyll part, upper palisade as shown, single layered, elongated, compactly arranged, narrow, thick walled parenchyma is there, continued over the midrib. The midrib region, palisade parenchyma is there as shown in the picture, crystal sheath, sclerenchymatous sheath, vascular bundle, xylem and phloem are shown, cholenchyma. Midrib shows vascular bundles. Xylem is lignified cells are there present at ventral surface. Phloem is a non-lignified cells are there present at dorsal surface. Chemically, sena contains anthraquinone types of derivatives. The active constituents are senoside A, senoside B, senoside C and senoside D. It also contains rhein, camphorol, aloimodine, isorametine, marsyl alcohol, phytosterol, salicylic acid, mucilage, resin, calcium oxalate. Chemically, sena is tested by a test as a bond dagger test, which is a simple bond dagger test. Boil the powdered leaves with dilute sulfuric acid, filter the reaction mixture, and in filtrate we have to add double volume of water insoluble organic solvent like benzene, chloroform or carbon tetrachloride. Shake it well and separate the organic layer. In organic layer we have to add equal volume of dilute ammonia. We will get this ammonical layer becomes pink color due to presence of anthraquinone derivatives. Sena is used as a laxative, irritant, purgatives. Sena is substituted by dog sena, Palthe sena and Arabian sena. Sena is adulterated by Helianthus glandulosa. In summary of this topic, what we have learned is sena consists of dried leaflets of Cassia angustifolia belongs to family Leguminosae. It contains anthraquinone glycosides, the main constituents used as laxative. In the quiz question, very first question, sena belongs to family Zanzibaraceae, Leguminosae, Myrtaceae, Umbelliferae, and our correct answer is Leguminosae. Very second quiz question is sena is used as antipyretic, dental analgesic, antidiabetic, laxative, and our correct answer is laxative. Very third quiz question is sena contains alkaloids, glycosides, volatile oils, saponins, and our correct answer is glycosides. Our next quiz question is upper palisade cells are arranged continuously in midrib region. What is your answer? Yes or no? You have to answer it. Very second quiz is where will be the crystal sheath present? Upper side of midrib, lower side of midrib, both the side of midrib. And fourth is not present. Very question number 3. What type of glycosides present in sena? Anthraquinone type, cardiac glycosides, saponin glycosides, cyanogenetic glycoside. And your correct answer is anthraquinone type. Very next question. Name the type of trichome in the senna. It is unicellular covering type of trichomes. Question 5th. Sponge type of parenchyma present in between lower and upper palisade cells. Frequently asked questions on this topic are: write monograph of senna. Second, write the collection and preparation of senna for the market and mention its source, chemical constituents and uses. Give the macroscopic and microscopic characters of senna. Fourth, write the botanical source, chemical constituents and uses of senna.